Another Lionstech job. Broken oil drain spout previously repaired and remedied by another shop, but still leaking. The owner then brought it to us after being advised of our reliable, high-quality service. From this to this. We performed TIG welding to reinforce and seal the damaged hole, then restored the standard thread without requiring an engine overhaul.
Rising up, back on the street.
Oil leak tested.
Did my
Job well done.
took my chances.
Thanks for watching.